Introducing the 2016 Ford F-350. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.